My family's house in Natick has solar panels. These panels are great, but there is a catch. They only work when the sun shines. Obviously, you could just look out the window and see how sunny it is. Or not. But I wanted something a bit more scientific. That's why this hackathon I built a meter that can display precisely how much energy our solar panels are producing. The first step was to figure out how to drive the meter. I hooked it up to my variable power supply and almost immediately maxed out the dial. Whoops. Turns out I just needed a better circuit. Thinking back to high school physics, I was able to calculate the necessary resistance to properly activate the dial. With the dial figured out, I set to work collecting the solar data. I built a simple script to scrape the panel's API and store the metrics. These metrics were published to a lightweight message queue so they could be consumed by the project board and ESP32. I wired up the circuit on a breadboard to test things out. When I deployed a quick script to the ESP32, I was able to control the dial. At this point, I was ready to solder the final board. I deployed a new version of the code that accepted the queue messages, and everything worked perfectly. The only thing left to do is build a permanent frame to display the meter. Unfortunately, I ran out of time, so this here is the final product. Thanks for watching!